So let's begin defining the divine feminine and the divine masculine on this twin flame soulmate journey that you started all exploring with me in order for all of you to have a healthy, happy, long-lasting relationship. Now, as we have said on the meeting, twin souls, the twins, are instantly consumed by fierce passion that entwines them towards deeper revelation until true harmony is found. And if you take a closer look at the picture that I have as a thumbnail, the front page in this particular video tonight, in this particular playlist, the DF and the DM love playlist, you will notice that the phase that you are observing from the female and the masculine, from the masculine and the feminine, you don't really know if the face in the middle you see on this picture, is this a male or a female? What is it? It's this form of the absolute balance, the divine love, the divine partnership. Now we are going to begin by analyzing the divine feminine first, because ladies go first.